Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of typography design within Adobe Photoshop. If you have ever wondered how to turn plain text into professional, eye-catching graphics for your thumbnails, posters, or social media content, you are in the right place. Typography is all about the art of arranging type to make your written language legible, readable, and visually appealing when displayed. By the end of this video, you will have the skills to manipulate fonts like a pro. If this guide helps you improve your design workflow, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let's get started. First, let's talk about adding text. Simply select the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. Once your words are on the screen, head up to the top options bar to quickly select your font family, choose a size, and pick a color that matches your design palette. Now, to really refine your work, you need to master the character panel. If you do not see it, go to Window and select Character. This panel is the heartbeat of typography. Use the Font Family menu to experiment with different weights. Adjust the tracking setting to manage the overall space between all your letters, and play with leading to control the spacing between lines of text. If you have two letters that look awkward together, use the kerning option to fine-tune the distance specifically between them. A clean, balanced look is what separates a beginner from a professional. Next, let's add some flair using layer styles. Double-click your text layer to open the effects window. From here, you can add a drop shadow to give your text depth so it pops off the background. Apply a stroke to create a clean outline, or use a gradient overlay to give your text a modern, multicolored finish. You can even try bevel and emboss to give your letters a physical, three-dimensional look. Now, creativity really comes into play when you arrange your text. Select your text layer and press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac to activate Free Transform. You can rotate, scale, or even distort your text to fit specific compositions. Try combining different font sizes and styles to create a strong visual hierarchy, which directs the viewer's eye to the most important information first. Finally, remember that your typography sits within a larger composition. Experiment by adding a crisp gradient background or placing shape layers behind your text to create a background frame. You could even add a subtle texture overlay to give your typography a vintage or printed feel. By combining these steps, you can create limitless styles for your projects. Creating beautiful text is a journey, so keep experimenting with these settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to support the channel by hitting that like and subscribe button for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.